Hello everyone, I'm Willie, responsible for the iFactory product department. In today's video, I will explain to System Integrator regarding how to choose iFactory solutions. Domain SI can better understand how to enter the smart manufacturing market and learn how to start to engage to end users with selections from iFactory products. To start and promote smart manufacturing products, the first stage should establish demo sites or POC sites to show the real case after deploying iFactory solutions. Suggest that system integrator can implement by themselves. It can also make system integrators more aware of the convenience of setting up and operating. The demo site should be better in customer's field, which can be visited later on or in your office. You may check Advantech link code demo site for planning. On product promotions, recommend to start from RTM, Real-Time Monitoring Gateway, or SPC, Statistical Process Control Gateway, with specific purpose of digitalizations. Through online promotion to bring out more sales opportunities and guide the factory to carry out transformational implementation. iFactory's gateway, in addition to hardware, it also combines iFactory software, focusing on customers' pain points. Real-time monitoring gateway can support smart equipment to be digitalized via data acquisition and visualization. Statistics process control, so-called SPC, the data chart can be presented through real-time statistical analytics and calculation after data collections. CNC data acquisition gateway can support drivers to directly link with CNC for tech values, using the data from CNC for further analytics and the machine learning purpose. Anden gateway can be used to link with multiple inputs such as touch panels, barcode scanner, or cellular phone through iMobile services to report issues or dispatch repair services. These gateways allow factory users to quickly see the benefits of digital transformation, or they can scale horizontally in the future. Also, because the function is quite straightforward, the learning curve will be shorter. After familiar with the gateway for stage 1, system integrators can recommend different solution packages based on customer industry attributes. iFactory proposed focus solutions for discrete productions, process productions, and also environmental energy management related solutions. Through focus solutions, system integrator can target on customers' pain points for entry. System integrator can select public cloud, private cloud, or edge cloud for customers and connect with gateway to meet customers' expectation. For process manufacturing, iFactory provides IFS 51A solution suite to improve customers' equipment, turnover ratio, environmental and energy efficiency, and notify the relevant personnel in accordance with the management settings. In addition, process manufacturer suites include gateway such as the equipment monitoring and fault monitoring, vibration sensor monitoring, etc. IFS 53A focuses on discrete manufacturing process. Discrete manufacturing process normally have unified components, and the process is relatively unchanged. IFS 53A provides multiple IAP, includes shop floor, anden, and connectors for data integration with factory MES, and the ability to notify related people to quickly resolve production line issues. Stage 3 can scale out for factories which have implemented Stage 2 solution suite. System integrator can extend functionality through wide marketplace by adding more solution suite for digital transformation and can be synchronized to work with iFactory other gateways. Horizontal expansions allow system integrators to quickly build up and set up. It also allows factory which used to Stage 2 solution suite quick understand the architecture to reduce learning cost. The transformation of manufacturing in addition to the factory's director's needs. There is also need for factory facility managers, including water treatment, environmental facility management. In the stage 4, integrator can recommend digital transformation to be extended to other areas. System integrator can also take the chance to increase their own experience, or through Advantech co-creation partners, or cooperate with other industrial system integrators to increase service level. The iFactory solution is based on WISE-PaaS IoT suite with Kubernetes containerized architecture, private clouds, public clouds, and edge cloud connections to gateways are all the same portal setting logic. Factory users can capture the data they need through this architecture, as well as software development or AI model development. System integrators can guide the plant leader to value added to this architecture and increase the benefits of data usage to achieve a data-driven operation model. In Advantech Academy site, we have included these education and training materials, and will also continue to increase. Please contact us to ask questions if there is any unclear.